Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide message. You cannot add another product to your cart in WooCommerce WordPress page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page. Now you see product. So click on add to cart. Now you see product has been added to your cart. So click on again add to cart. Now you see message, so we are going to hide it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page, refresh the page. Now you don't see any error. Click on add to cart again. Now you see, go to cart page, refresh the page. Now remove this product. Back to product page, refresh the page. Now click on add to cart again. Now you see product has been added to your cart. So click on add to cart again. Now you don't see any message. Message is hide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.